Hello. In this video, we will be showing you how to navigate and search on the ScienceDirect resource. The ScienceDirect resource provides a number of articles related to a variety of subjects, such as mathematics, engineering, computer science, environmental science, social sciences, and a whole lot more. On the main page of ScienceDirect, you will notice a search bar near the top of the page. On the far right, you will see the Advanced Search button. Click on that and you'll be taken to the following page. Here, you'll be asked to type in a keyword or term in which you wish to search and find relevant information on. For this example, we'll simply type in science and click on the search button. You will now be taken to a results page which should look like this. On the results section, you will notice that most of the results have a green dot next to them with a title next to them either saying full text access or open access. This means that these articles are what are available for you to access. If a result article doesn't have a green dot next to it, it won't allow you to access the article. For the next example of how to read an article on ScienceDirect, we'll simply click on one of the results. So for example, a framework for science shop processes, and click on that. On the article page, you will find the article itself presented in text format in the middle of the page, where you can scroll down and read the article like that. You will also notice that there is a View PDF button on the top of the page, and once you click on that, it will present the article in PDF format, while also providing a pop-up that will recommend other articles on ScienceDirect for you to read. Also on the article page, you will notice that some menus are on the left side and right side of the screen. On the left side menu, you will have the outline section, which acts as particular chapters of the article. Once you click on one of them, say for example, discussion, you'll be immediately taken to that section of the article. Underneath the outline section, you will find the figures and tables sections. Figures show contents of images that appear in the article, while tables show table statistics that appear in the article. On the right side of the screen, you will find recommended articles, which provide recommended articles to citation articles, where the particular article you are reading is referenced in other articles, and article metrics, which show statistics such as how many times the article has been cited, referenced in another article, and also how many times this article has been read in the readers section. If you also click on the View Details button at the bottom of the article metrics section, it will take you to the following page, such as when the article has been mentioned on social media, for this instance being most recent tweets.